This is lecture 1 of complex variable, and it is very important in CHIR NET examination, GATE examination for MSc and BSc student. And I will complete all the part of complex variable, and this is the first one. First you have to know what is the need of complex number and why we are using that I term. I is equal to root over of -1. Let's know about it. Complex number first become necessary in the study of algebraic equation, and every quadratic equation that like this ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic means power is 2, highest power is 2, and it has 2 roots, and every cubical equation has 3 roots. If you consider only the real root, that is only real number exists, then the equation like x square plus 1 equal to 0 has no root, and x cube minus 1 equal to 0 has only one root, that is x is equal to 1. But we know cubical equation has 3 root. So to solve this type of equation, the imaginary number came into picture, and it was introduced first by the Euler. So the real number are not sufficient for all mathematical needs. So the complex number came into picture. Let's see how we can represent a complex number. That z is a variable, and it is how we are representing complex number equal to x equal plus I y. X is the real part, that is real z, and y is the imaginary part, imaginary z. Complex number is an ordered pair of real numbers. Ordered pair means, see, two real numbers x and y. This is the pair of real numbers, so we are telling ordered pair of real numbers. This is the need of complex number in mathematics. Thank you. And I will complete all the important thing of complex variable that you have to must know, and wait for the next lecture.